but the commentary after the free Abu Trica was totally unnecessary. Especially Kwame said, you know.
Artist, no, he's entitled to whatever he wants to believe.
In their songs, apart from that, on stage once they are performing, they encourage fraud. I can say that that's what we are going to.
Who is the fraudster?
When you say who is that?
If you go to court like this, you always lose.
Oh no, but honorable,
no. Give me an example
of. Oh, we've seen examples.
Which example?
We've seen examples of Shatta Wale. We've seen examples of Shatta Wale and God's acting. One stage.
Hey yo, Ghana entertainment industry. Sabakaya Gomoa Festival no. During Shatta Wale performance no. Shatta can sembi.
Muka free Abu. Muni mdenti amebo anyumu. Ghana yatsina siama. Nkofat na happiness so. Oh, a young boy. Now you say yeah, baby. My government and our government official. Behind Fabi Metal. So what did they make? So much Abu Trica. Because of 30,000. How many do now? Give me time.
Enra. Sasem na Shatta kan ye no ekopie mu e wo UTV. Now during the discussion about that topic, Gomoa Festival, Abu Trica, Ziga ekofa bai. Say nanka Shatta Wale ene kwa kase ebetimi akase free Abu Trica. Nemom no na ni se komo ka asem bia aka ho. Secondly, edru MC Yaa Yeboah so no. I think say Senye Sabi Honorable A+ and a yes smart. Etoto na no e changing sem na on. Kene kedenya ni yon. Ka internet ni so on and kienko so. And one thing me te ye ne say even United Showbiz no mo you imagine say even asem ye Shatta Wale asem kra no omon discuss biem. And nti eye me one say all of a sudden Shatta Wale ebe ye topic e wo show ni so. But Ekwanya Sabi Arnold, any Honorable A+ so a kami situation, a bar to the defense of your musicians, a yes Shatta any quackers no. Said that should be Yamishra A+ money be your president for Ghana. Mamo money nyamu.
There's one thing that I think that next time the free Abu Trica issue that went on. I was not happy.
Okay.
The free Abu Trica. You get me? Yeboah Carnival, we can take advantage to show a solidarity to our brother. Say free Abu Trica is end there. But the commentary after the free Abu Trica was totally unnecessary. Especially Kwame said, it's totally unnecessary. If you understand, if you understand what is going on in the whole issue,
But Abu Trica is very innocent.
Oh yeah, I'm not talking. Is
he guilty?
Honorable,
no, he's not saying
but I'm saying that the commentary may cause so stage in this free Abu Trica. No, the free Abu Trica we can do it. But the commentaries and I'm saying that they did it out of naivety. They don't know the load of that issue. You understand? Free Abu Trica, now boys also a crack wajina was there, but no, it's totally unnecessary. If you say that, you are naive. You don't know what is going on. What's that?
I say we are not here 2 and 2, 2, 2 for always. Boys a crack wagon.
We know exactly what
this is not less not you. Who bet me a dream a quack? Say to me,
but you say boys a browser. There was a context. There was a context. No,
how do you know?
I then a move chink of no man will see born. But your baby, I'm meeting you. Be able to win church. Is
it your show?
Are you host?
Thank you. So can the boys a crack wagon? It never be bring the
browse. No, browse the crowd. Is it a crime to browse?
But to see case there that one no. Until I make us a person me could do. As a bed diverted. But me na me feel say necessary.
Okay.
Next time you never me a chant free Abu Trica.
But me and Fabi
don't add anything because on tiasem nasia. Obeke can send basa now if he say boy no but in one way or the other, no, then you will be downloading a lot of problem for him.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so that is that.
The last points no raise here. And for you follow pop culture, right? Or let's even say hip hop over the years. There are a lot of artists are achievable too. Like they were actually tried, convicted and all. But you still have their friends, followers, do t-shirts and say free Tony Yeo, free Lil Wayne. Pacho.
But I'm not saying that it was wrong.
No, but that's
I didn't say that it was wrong. Okay, I'm saying that we all can chant free Abu Trica. But when we chant that, it should end there. The commentary bar after the free Abu Trica. That's what I'm saying.
But the artist, no, he's entitled to whatever he wants to believe. And he's entitled to whatever he wants to spew. At the end of the day, you know, where's Abu Trica?
Behind bars.
So what did that commentary do? But let me count that. Artist, he will come on and then rant. But at the end of the day, how does it affect the real course of the case? At the end of the day, okay, so when they chanted a week ago or so ago, where's Abu Trica now?
No, but so
it's not something.
If you understand the issue, you don't go there.
So he does. So take it as if it doesn't. Or you are putting premium on a rant. It's not like it connects directly to the case. I mean, are you telling me something? Oh, come on.
My goodness.
No, but are we saying, for clarity, are we saying, say, when we see such rants on big platforms like that, where we have artists that are saying that you're quack or fraud, you're browsing, you're pessica, those kind of conversations, those kind of conversations they're having on such platforms. Are we saying that it doesn't go any way to affect
what exactly you?
Oh, I know. So entertainment, you've heard several times where musicians has been on stage where they don't fraud, they encourage fraud. On stage. They were even in their songs. Apart from that, on stage whilst they are performing, they encourage fraud. And say that that's what we are going to.
Who is the fraudster?
When you say who is the fraudster, what exactly?
No, some people are encouraging fraud. I'm saying who is the fraudster?
How do I know?
No. You are saying that people are encouraging fraud. Who has engaged in fraud that people are encouraging?
Individuals.
Who? Okay, so you are stating on this show that artists went on stage to encourage fraud. Is that correct?
I'm saying that we've seen videos.
No. I'm saying.
Let me narrate what I say. I'm here. Let me narrate.
No, let's make it sure. Okay. What you are saying is that some artists went on stage to encourage fraud. To encourage fraud. Okay. What evidence do you have that anybody encouraged fraud?
Oh, but there are videos there.
Good. From the event.
Not from the Gumwa event.
No, wait, I'm coming. From which one?
Oh, there's been shows, concerts, sometimes music concerts.
You don't go to. If you go to court like this, you always lose.
Oh no, but honorable,
give me an example
of. Oh, we've seen examples.
Which example?
We've seen examples of Shatta Wale. No, we've seen examples of Shatta Wale and God's acting on stage.
Which one?
Oh, honorable.
Give me one example.
Oh, if you cannot give us videos there, I will tag you. I will tag you. Don't worry, I will find the videos there.
So what I'm saying is that if you, so what I'm saying, wait, I'm coming. If you cannot give me one example, then talk about something else.
Thank you.
No.
If you cannot give us an example, then there's no need to talk about it because you don't have an example. So what I can say is that if you don't have an example, then you are either lying or you are misleading us.
I'm not lying.
Then give us an example.
Of what? No.
Okay,
so apart from that, there was a show.
Okay, wait. So Kwame is on good. So you are giving us an
example. But didn't I give you an example?
Wait. So you are using Kwauke's statement on the stage as an encouragement of fraud. Which fraud?
What are you saying?
He's actually a very specific question. You said Kwauke.
So let me deal with Abner. So
you asked the question.
No. So Kwauke's own is encouraging fraud. Which fraud?
Like, okay, so right now, like they said, it came from a context. Context near Abu Trica was arrested.
So Abu Trica is the fraudster.
Yeah.
Which court found him
Wait.
guilty?
No, wait. But even when the last verdict, you can say, yeah, court, let's see, yeah, man up for, yeah, they need call for extradition. But what?
Wait.
But I see a man 15 days.
You are host. But wait.
You are host.
They are giving him 15 days to be extradited to go and answer. The court in Ghana has not found Abu Trica guilty of anything.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
The court in America is waiting for Abu Trica to come and answer. And the court is saying that, yes, there is some prima facie case that has been brought against you. Looking at the evidence that has been brought to the court, we think that you have a case to answer, and therefore you have to go and answer your case.
So he's not guilty yet.
But he's not
guilty. So that's where you are getting me wrong, because listen, when Arnold was talking, he was saying that we shouldn't put criminals. I was saying that there's been instances where we've seen videos of hold on.
And you know what I'm saying?
Let me finish.
Do you remember when Hajia for real's issue came? This was the same thing. I stated that she has engaged in fraud. Now we can say that because she was found guilty,
convicted.
But I'm not saying that at this point when we are saying this, you cannot say it.
No, you see, that's where the problem is.
If I'm not referring to that, refer to a different one.
No, I'm not referring to Abu Trica.
Okay, refer to a different one.
No, the making statement said.
When Abnam Wale said, you said that yes.
No, you keep interjecting me. I'm not making my point.
Yeah, but my commentary was based on the Gumwa.
Yes, but you said that let's not put premium on rants
on that stage.
Yes, and I mean, you say. So are we saying who can say those rants does not affect the actual issue, right? And I mean, Busa said, are we saying videos that we've seen on platforms where other influential people are making such rants, which encourages fraud and make it look like fraud, you know, and fraud na yeah. Are we saying fraud is scamming people? You don't know what and not just obi bokro na so obi jira baby na okase kro no boy nya twa just why ya ma ya che wan say na we talk against it. Is that what you are saying? It's me Busa said those kind of rants now. I
don't know the rants you are talking about. What rants my refer okay.
I think say we yen na the aye kan yen na ye te ase. So let him come.
Paper cho men can understand anything.
Let him continue.
No, this is Aidan. I think he was concluding.
No, he had done. He was done.
But that's the only problem. I think that it was a message. Now, I know they cannot be personally correcting and say, I did not say that the chance of Abu Trica was no good. It was good. But the commentaries then were, you know, watch the case, no, or case, nothing. It will Tiasena Kasano, but it's involved Americans. So, and your Ghana had the so you have to be very careful. You understand? Now, I'm creative from that man. That's what I wanted to establish.
I will say Onipa na fe no kwako ansa ya yewe na nso ye tia say free Abu Trica. Onipa no kra ansa nka say wa ye
yes free ni free cantonment ho no oda no na wo free nice oh